if you are new to skincare and you don't know where to start from, this video is for you. Hi guys, and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Toy, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're an OG, my oldies, you know how we run this thing now. Thank you for also coming back to watch this video. Like I stated in my previous videos, I said I want to help teenage girls as well as young adults suffering from adult acne to achieve good and healthy and even glass skin if possible. And this is what I'm trying to achieve. Disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist, but I feel like with the knowledge I have, because it's been 2 years trying to battle with skin issues and all of that, I feel like I've gotten to that spot, I've got to that stage where I can educate and also help you guys to achieve good and healthy skin. For my title, it says skincare for beginners, which means that if you're new and you have no idea of how to start, then I will be your big sister on the internet. So let's begin. Number 1, know your skin type. So we have 5 types of skins: oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, and normal skin. Those are the 5 types of skin that we have. And you need to know what to do. So let me tell you guys about a test that can make you guys know the kind of skin types that you have. This is an experiment that I want you all to try out. Wash your face. It may just be water, just a mouth soap you're beating. So just wash your face and then leave it to dry. Don't use any towel, don't use any paper, just leave it to dry. After like 30 minutes to 1 hour after it's dried, then take these 2 fingers of yours and use it to swab around your face. So if you feel like your hands are flaky and dry, you have extreme dry skin. Then if you notice that these areas of your face are dry and your T-zone area is oily, then you have a combination skin. And if the oil on your face can actually fry plantain, then you have oily skin. But if it is neither oily or neither dry, then you have a normal skin. And if your skin is easily prone to different kind of things, any small thing, you already have something on your face, something coming out, then you have a sensitive skin, which you need to take into consideration. So know your skin type. Know your skin type will help you decide really properly and thoroughly the skincare products that you need to get for your skin. Number 2, have a basic skincare routine. So there are 3 basics you need to have in your skincare routine. Number 1 is cleanser, 2 moisturizer, and 3 sunscreen. So let's start with cleansers. For cleansers, get a mild cleanser that is gentle to your skin for girlies who have normal skin. But if you are acne prone, get cleansers that contain salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to deal with the active bacteria that are causing this acne. Examples of cleansers that are mild to the skin are any simple cleansers, either simple moisturizing gel cleansers, a simple refreshing facial wash. Any simple cleansers are actually gentle on the skin. And also note that if you have an oily skin, get gel or foaming cleansers. But if you have a dry skin, get oil-based cleansers for your skin. Number 2, moisturizer. So moisturizers are what give your face this feel, this look, because it absorbs into the skin. And if you have a dry skin, get moisturizers that are rich and creamy in texture. Example is the simple replenishing rich moisturizer. And if you have an oily skin, get moisturizers that are lightweight and don't really feel too heavy on your face, because your skin is already oily, so you want to add more oil to your face. An example is the simple hydrating light moisturizer, which I'm going to talk about in another video. Number 3, sunscreen. I recommend sunscreens from SPF 30 or above, but personally I use from SPF 50. Sunscreens are very important. Don't tell me that I'm in my house, I don't want to use sunscreen. You have to use it, even if you're not going out. Once you wash your face in the morning, you have to put on sunscreen. So all these are what you can actually use in the morning. Then in the evening will be the same routine, which it only consists of your cleanser and your moisturizer. You only use your sunscreen during the day and not at night. And these are optionals, but like you can actually add to your skincare once you know that okay, your face is adjusted or it has adjusted to the 3 basic steps. Number 1 is exfoliants, and exfoliants, like it says, exfoliating. It helps you exfoliate the skin, remove excess skin cells down your face and all of that. So what you need to get are exfoliant that has either the AHAs or exfoliant that has the BHAs. An example of the AHAs are acids like mandelic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid, while examples of the BHAs are salicylic acid. But AHAs are just the one that just help you to just get rid of whatever thing is on the surface. But BHAs, they go deep into your pores and help you remove the gunk out of your faces. Because you know what? If you're acne prone, you really need the BHAs. Number 2 is toner. Toner helps to remove the excess residue after cleansing is being done or is being carried out. Toners are useful, they help to brighten the skin, prep the skin for more skincare products to be applied on the face. And toners are really good. This is optional, but also beneficial. And we have different toners. You can actually get them from your skincare vendors. There are a lot of toners, like toner pads are even there for you if you don't want to use the toners in liquid form. There are toner pads you can also get. Number 3 is serums. Serums act as active ingredients targeted to a particular problem. For example, you have a dark spot or you're suffering from hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide is one very useful product that you can use for your skin if you are battling with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. TXA, which is the triaxamic acid, that is also very important if you are battling with hyperpigmentation. Licorice, a lot of things like that embedded in your serums are good if you are fighting a particular issue or problem. So don't forget that these 3 steps are very essential and important. Cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen, they are very important. And if you want to have these other optional steps, you can as well add them to your skincare routine. But don't forget, when you are obtaining a new skincare product, the first thing you need to do is do a patch test. People just buy skincare and just feel like, oh, I can use it on my face at any time. No, do a patch test. Take the skincare product, either whatever skincare cleanser, whatever thing I got, and then apply to the back of your ear, or to the tip of your palm, or to this area of your wrist. Just apply it there, and if you see any sudden reaction, you know that okay, that skincare product is not for me. So do a patch test. It is very, very important for you to do that test. Number 2 is be consistent. Don't think that you can just do skincare now and then in the night all your pimples are gone. It doesn't work like magic. It takes approximately 6 to 8 weeks for a skincare product to actually fully work and show you its benefits, because it takes 28 days for your skin cells to turn over, which means that if you're applying a new skincare product, you have to wait for like 1 month to 2 months before you start seeing notable changes. So it takes time. I've been doing this for 2 years and it has not been easy. I'm still hoping to get that perfect skin. I know no skin is perfect, but at least let me reach to perfection. So it takes time. So just calm down and just do your skincare routine and be consistent with it. The third thing is drink water. My guy, drink water and mind your business. The water actually helps to hydrate the skin both internally and externally. So drink enough water. Drink it, drink it. Nothing. You don't have any business with anybody. Just drink that water. Number 4, overloading. Don't overload your face with a lot of skincare products. Be consistent with your skincare routine, your cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Stick to those 3. And then when you feel like, okay, my face has adjusted, maybe after like 3 to 4 months, then you can include other skincare products to it. But don't overload your face with a lot of, because at the end of the day, it can cause damaging effects. At the end of the day, I hope I'm able to convince you and not to confuse you on this type of skincare product you need for your skin. So please and please stay consistent, stay hydrated, and don't overload your face. And I'll see you in another video. Bye.